This is what our training is now consisting of. See this good? Can I have those toes? Can I have them? Oh, give me those toes. That's a good boy. This is how we're going for no biting. Working very hard on this. You ready? Oh, give me those toes. That's a good boy. Still doing clicker training. I'm hoping that you can see this all right. Can I have those toes? Can I have those toes? Can I see them? Oh, give me those toes. Give me those toes. I want the toes. Can I have them? Okay, no treats for you. No treats for you, Mr. Man. How about the toes, though? Can I have those? Can I have the toes? Oh, it's such a good bird. There's your update.